presents.
That's right. We can sing all the Christmas carols in the world, but singing them together with our friends and family, that's the most special thing of all.
Christmas is all about getting together with the people you love and having fun together.
Yeah, just thinking about it gives a more warm feeling inside. So the Christmas spirit is really about me being here with all of you.
That's right, Abby. And the Christmas spirit isn't just for one day a year. We can keep the Christmas spirit with us always, just like the song says. Keep Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, we can keep it near.